Hi and welcome back. Today we kind of did a little bit of resting because it was last week when we should have done the inspection. It was all rainy and stuff. But this time it's, pretty much, it's still gonna rain, but at least we're gonna do the inspection before it's gonna rain. It's not gonna be raining just yet. So we're gonna be checking on our bees. How are they going? How are they doing? Huh? What is going on here? Okay, that's something new. Personally, I don't know. Okay. What do we have inside here? Okay, putting this away. Ooh. Okay. Looks like there's already more bees than there was last time. Okay, this looks pretty empty. Looks like they drank all this stuff. Sugar water. Okay. Putting this away. Whoops. We got more bees. This is a good sign. At least I kind of hope so. Yep. We certainly got more bees than we did before. This way here. Seems like our top board is leaking though, so that's not a very good thing. Our population looks like it's gone up a bit. That's kind of good. What do we have here? Okay. Not going to be bothering the bees too much because they have a lot of work to do. Kind of hoping they have. Looks like they got honey and propolis on here, which is okay. Seems like there's more bees going to be hatching out. A few frames here and there. Comb. Let's check a little bit more through here. Looks like we are gonna have more bees hatching out, though I'm not seeing the queen or any new eggs, which is pretty odd. Actually, I am seeing some new eggs, but I don't see the queen. Not very good, considering that we really need a queen. Now, let's see what we have over here. We have a similar issue. These are hatching out. So it does seem like there is some egg here, but that's pretty difficult to tell if that's worker laying. Oh, actually we do have the queen. The queen is found, so that's good. We have found the queen. So I will keep track of her and put her away carefully. I need to put her away very carefully. So we did find the queen. She has a white dot. There are some bees. She seems like she is kind of a bit lost, which is not a very good sign. But she is there, so that's good. Looks like more bees over here. No more comb. The bees hatching out. Seems like there might be more bees hatching out here, but not too many more. Seems pretty spotty for a queen. I'll be honest, this is pretty good. Better than I'm gonna have to say last week. Slowly put them together here. And over here. Putting this back away. And that's all for the inspection. Realistically, there is not much more that I can really say. It looks not very good, but it certainly is better than what I'd say it was a few weeks ago. Seems like it's improving. There's some improvements in general. There's more young bees. These are young bees. We did see the queen, which is a very good sign that we saw the queen. Very, very good sign. And I think that we'll need more juice. But yeah, other than that,
holy crap.
But other than that, it seems like everything is pretty good. Everything is.
Have bees hatched out?
Yes, they have hatched out.
Let's leave this. Let's put the cover back on. Let's go make some juice.
Okay, I will do that. We'll make some more juice.
Here.
And
put this.
we'll.
There's fresh brood in here.
Well, there's fresh bees hatched out. That's what happened.
Yeah, but are they drones?
No, they're actually normal workers. And I saw the queen.
Okay, whoa, cool.
So anyway, we brought back our drink for the bees, juice, whatever you want to call it. Quickly put on all of this stuff, and we'll get out of here, because gotta let the bees do their stuff. Anyway, bye.
Hope to see more growth next.